Hi, guys. I'm Matthew the Clown, and I'm here today to talk to you about the facts of factorials. Let's get started, shall we? Now, you must be asking yourself, what is a factorial? I'm glad you asked. The product of an integer and all of the integers below it are a factorial. Now, I can just imagine that right now, all of my students are taking their notes so diligently there in their math journals, writing every word down. That's so awesome. Thanks for participating. But really, it's probably more like this. Am I right? Anyway, back to factorials. So, a factorial, as we were talking about, is an integer. So in this case, I'm going to start with 5 factorial. And actually, I'm going to grab a pencil real quick so that we can also write the answer down. 5 factorial can also be written like this. 5 times all of the integers below it. So it's 5 times 4, times 3, times 2, and times 1. So that's 5 times 4 is 20, times 3 is 60, times 2 is 120. So 5 factorial is actually 120. All right, and moving on to 4 factorial, it is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So that'd be 4 times 3, that's 12, times 2 is 24, times 1. So 4 factorial is going to be 24. And our final example today, 3 factorial, it's going to be the integer times all of the integers below it. So that are positive, that is. So 3 times 2 is 6 times 1. So 3 factorial is, in fact, positive 6. All right, I'm going to move on now to our next slide, and I want to talk to you about a special case. This special case is 0 factorial. Now, you would think that it would be 0 times 1, so the answer would be 0, but in this special case, 0 factorial is a 1. You'll need to know that for your lesson today. Speaking of which, your lesson is DD12, and yep, I think you're ready for it. Thanks for tuning in with Matthew the Clown, and as always, let's do some math.